Hi, if you haven't seen the first two parts of the eye gestures, then you may just click on the link provided in the description box. Alright, let's plug into the third part of the eye gestures spontaneously. Well, we go with glimpse. Glimpse. Glimpse का मतलब है झलक देखना या जल्दी से एक नजर डालना. To look at or see for a very short time. Glimpse is something that catches the eye. For example, I caught a glimpse of her through the car window. The crowd shouted and pushed to get a glimpse of their hero. Next is pry. Pry. Pry and Snoopy means one and the same. Pry means jasusi karna, tang jhang karna. To inquire too closely into a person's private affairs. For instance, do not pry on me. Why are you snooping in my bedroom? Next is marvel. Marvel. Marvel का मतलब है आश्चर्यचकित होना. To be filled with wonder, astonishment, or something extraordinary or surprising. For instance, they marveled that you won. I marvel at her courage. Moving ahead, next is glare. Glare. Glare का मतलब है गुस्से से घूरना. To look long and hard at someone with anger. For example, she glared angrily. Next, they glared their anger at each other. Alright? Next is peek. Peek. Peek का मतलब है छिपकर ताकना. To have a quick look or probably a secret look for fun or with curiosity. For instance, she peeked to see if the audience got settled. Lastly, it's goggle. Goggle. Goggle means आंख फाड़ कर देखना. To stare with wide open eyes. For example, she goggled at the display of the ornaments. That's all for now. Do like and subscribe us for more upcoming videos. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Urfa, bye, take care.